Hey everybody, it's me, Sarah Joe from Crafting with Sarah Joe. Hey y'all, I know it's been a while. I have no excuses whatsoever. I can list a few, but none will suffice for how long it has been since I've made a video. Life has been life, and it's been a few years. I know it has, but good news. Your girl is getting married. I'm getting married in 3 weeks, and I have been dating this young man for about 3 years, which is the same length of time it has been since I have not made a craft video. So hint, hint, I guess I've been occupying my time elsewhere. What you're looking at now are some signs that I purchased from the Dollar Tree. $125 each. Thank goodness that these are not one of the things that went up in price. I know a lot of things have went up in price at the Dollar Tree, but the wooden signs have not. Thank goodness for that. Okay, so what I didn't discuss was step 1 and step 2. I was busy running my mouth. Step 1 was me removing the twine that was stapled to the signs. And step 2 was me removing the $1.25 sticker. Step 3 is going to be me making my own stain to paint my signs. I make my own stain. I don't like using the stain that's in the store. I feel like it's too aggressive. It's very loud and smell, and it's very hard to clean. I like to make my own stain because it's very easy. You're just using diluted acrylic paint. A little acrylic paint and a lot of water. Mix it up until you reach your desired consistency. So for the next couple of minutes, I will be painting these arrows front and back, and I have to use multiple coats because unlike the oil-based stain that's in the stores, this is a water-based stain. It doesn't just sit on top of the wood, it actually penetrates into the wood. So when that happens, you have to apply multiple coats to reach your desired look. So while my signs are drying, I'm going to switch gears here for a minute. What you see right now is my Cricut hard at work cutting out the letters. I'm going to use the letters to apply to my signs. It's going to be the word wedding. So I did let my signs dry overnight, and the next morning, oh my goodness, right? Doesn't this look like real stain? Nope, but you saw it here first. Well, maybe not first, but you know. Okay, so the next step is just me applying my letters to the wood signs. The wood signs are dry now, so I'm just going to take my letters that I made from my Cricut. I'm going to remove the vinyl, and in order to do that, I need some transfer tape. I'm going to adhere the transfer tape to the vinyl and just remove it and apply it to the wood. right, so for my next step, I live in the state of Georgia, so it would be crazy for me not to seal these signs. It would be all my hard work in vain because the day of my wedding, it could rain all day and my poor little work would be washed away. So, in order to prevent that from happening, I'm just gonna seal it. So, I'll be using Mod Podge to seal my arrows, my signs. I purchased this from the Dollar Tree as well. The price is still $125 last I checked. But you never know with Dollar Tree. You know, you walk in there one day, it's $125. You walk in the next day, it's $150. You come back again, it's $175. So just keep that in mind. So I let my Mod Podge dry overnight on my signs and look how nice they turned out. This is the matte finish. Okay guys, here's the next step. We need a stake. The stake I decided to use were some bamboo skewers from, you guessed it right, the Dollar Tree. $125 as well. They're very thick, they're sturdy. I'm gonna glue them to the back of my signs and put them in the ground. So that's what we're gonna do for this step. Okay guys, and here's the finished product. I hope you enjoyed watching and thank you for crafting with Sarah Jo. See you soon.